guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, I want to talk a little bit about repurposing Ayurvedic herbs. I am always infusing my herbs in some kind of oil, and because I don't like to waste anything, I like to repurpose my herbs. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys just a little bit of a background behind why I like to repurpose my Ayurvedic herbs and just a breakdown of how I go about it. This is part 2 of a 3-part series where I explore just repurposing my Ayurvedic herbs. Last video, I actually shared the recipe itself, right? So the recipe of how I repurposed my herbs and also how I prepared a moisturizing hair mask from the herbs. This video, I want to get into why repurposing your herbs is good for your hair and also good for your wallet. In the final video, I will be showing you guys how I apply that mask to my hair. The mask usually now acts as my deep conditioning step, so it's the last step of my wash day before I go into moisturizing, sealing, styling my hair. So the first question is, why repurpose the herbs to begin with? This is a fantastic way to get the most out of your ingredients. Even after infusing, there's still plenty of goodness left in them. Instead of tossing out your herbs, you can use them to make deep conditioning masks or even as a base for other hair treatments. This is also an economical way because you're maximizing the value of every product that you buy. So this particular infusion had a mix of different Ayurvedic herbs, things like amla, bringraj, brahmi, aloe vera. It also had olive oil as the oil that I was using, and some MSM powder as well as dried lavender. Olive oil is deeply moisturizing and helps to strengthen the hair, making it more resilient to breakage. Lavender not only smells amazing, but also has calming properties that can help soothe the scalp and promote hair growth. Amla is rich in vitamin C. It helps to strengthen the hair follicles, prevents premature graying, and adds shine. Brahmi is known for its ability to nourish the roots, reduce hair fall, and promote hair growth. Shikakai is a gentle cleanser that also strengthens the roots and promotes healthy hair growth. MSM powder is a great source of sulfur. It supports collagen and keratin production, which are essential for strong, healthy hair. After about 5 to 8 weeks of the herb and the oil infusing, I drained out the oil, which I then was using in my hair like I usually do, and then the sediments that remained, what I did, I scooped out the sediments, put them in a saucepan, added a bit of water, put that saucepan on the stove, brought it to boil on medium to low heat, let it boil. Then once that was done, I took it off the stove, sieved out the different particles because I don't like having sediments in my hair. Then that particular mix, let's say, is what I used to now mix in my deep conditioner, my moisturizing deep conditioner. These sediments might have a smell that's very, very strong, and not everyone might like it. So what you can do is you can add some drops of your favorite essential oil to just help with that smell. But otherwise, feel free to use, you can decide to use the mix as is, or you can decide to mix it in with your deep conditioner or some kind of conditioner. You can decide to use it as a pre-poo. There's so many ways of using it. But in this particular situation, I use it as a hair mask, or I guess you could say a deep conditioner, because it took the step for my deep conditioner. So there you have it. This was a short, brief video. I will leave a link in the description for the recipe, the part 1 video. It'll be in the description. If you're interested in seeing how I apply this mask onto my hair, stay tuned for my next video in this 3-part series where I'll show you just that. But until then, see ya guys.